In our world, everything revolves around fibers. On the way to a first-class final product, we strive to get the best out of every single fiber. Quality made by Trützschler stands for itself. But our idea of quality does not only revolve around the perfect product, it's much more than that. It's the know-how gained in a history of over 130 years. It's the combination of consistent values and innovative power. We cross technological horizons every day. Our secret formula? Details matter. Every little element counts. It's the close exchange with our customers and understanding their needs for the Trützschler machines of tomorrow. It is also about the perfect service. We provide our customers with on-site support and around-the-clock service. From the beginning of the project through the entire service life of our machines. Every single day, our specialists work hard towards a common goal: to meet every customer's individual requirements. We support our community by giving children the opportunity to receive an education, and we treasure our environment by providing resource-saving and energy-efficient technologies. What started as a small business in a German town has become a true leader in the industry. Today, Trützschler is a global player with locations all around the world. In India, Vietnam, Brazil, Mexico, USA, China, Germany, and many more. It's the people who work at Trützschler all around the world. Their trust, commitment, and know-how are essential to continuing our success story. It's true,